2025 just rewrote the rules of AI, again. This year, artificial intelligence isn't just smarter, it's behaving more human than ever. AI tools that can analyze your voice, chat with your documents, generate full videos, and pull real-time data? They're not in beta anymore, they're part of your daily workflow. So today, we break down the top 3 AI tools in 2025, not based on hype, but on real-world use, performance, and transformation. Look around you, AI is no longer just for tech nerds or coders. It's in your phone, your search engine, your browser, your office apps. But in a sea of startups and sudden launches, not all tools are equal. Some just give you answers. Others? They rethink how we ask questions in the first place. Today, we focus on 3 that are reshaping everything from productivity to creativity to research. Let's dive in. Meet Claude 4 from Anthropic. If ChatGPT is fast and Gemini is versatile, Claude 4 is the philosopher. It doesn't just respond, it reflects. In May 2025, Anthropic released Claude 4 across 2 major versions, Claude Sonnet 4 and Claude Opus 4. Sonnet is the fast, affordable version. Opus is the full-blown, deep reasoning powerhouse. Here's what makes it stand out. First, hybrid reasoning. Claude 4 combines fast heuristic responses with deep, structured logic. It doesn't just finish your sentence. It breaks down your question, analyzes it, reflects on the context, and builds a multi-step answer. It's like talking to a calm, calculated expert rather than a chatbot on caffeine. Second, long-term memory and context handling. Claude 4 can hold on to multi-thousand-word prompts, think novels, legal contracts, complex datasets, and reason across them without losing clarity. Third, Claude is ideal for professional thinking. Developers say it's less prone to hallucinations than most. Writers love its tone control and fact consistency. And analysts are starting to use it for multi-layer logic building, something very few models can manage. But Claude doesn't just work in isolation. Its API now supports secure enterprise integration, meaning Claude powers everything from healthcare research tools to private RAG systems. If you're a researcher, lawyer, analyst, strategist, or any professional needing thoughtful, chain-of-thought style responses, Claude is for you. 2025 is the year Claude stopped being just a ChatGPT alternative. It became the gold standard for serious thought. Now let's talk about Gemini, Google's all-in-one, multimodal AI platform. 2025 saw Gemini evolve from a flashy demo to a deeply integrated workforce companion. Here's what makes Gemini a must-use in 2025. First, true multimodality. Gemini doesn't just process text, it reads images, interprets charts, listens to voice notes, and even watches video. Drop in a screenshot, spreadsheet, or map, and it responds with awareness of what it sees. Second, deep integration across Google's ecosystem. In Gmail, Gemini drafts context-aware replies with tone options. In Docs, it doesn't just summarize, it edits, cites, and even visualizes data from your own tables. In Sheets, it can forecast trends, clean data, and build formulas without you touching a cell. Third, Gemini Live, Google's flagship mobile AI experience. Activate your camera or microphone, and Gemini reacts in real time. Show it a product label in store. Ask it to translate a sign on the street. It acts like a travel guide, research partner, and personal assistant, all in one. It also supports real-time web access, so your results are fresh, not frozen. And unlike models trained on data cutoffs, Gemini evolves constantly thanks to its link to Google Search, Maps, YouTube, and Gmail. Gemini is the AI that lives in your browser, your apps, your mobile device, and adapts to every input you give it. It's less about chatting and more about collaborating. If you use Google Tools daily, Gemini isn't optional, it's essential. Tool number 3, Perplexity. Now, let's zoom out from assistants and look at something different. Perplexity AI. If Claude is the thinker, and Gemini is the doer, Perplexity is the researcher. It's built to replace Google Search, and it's doing a great job of it. Perplexity is simple to use, but shockingly powerful. Ask a question, and it answers you in clear, concise, natural language. But here's the kicker, it shows you exactly where it got the info. Each statement comes with citations. Each claim is sourced from live websites. It's like asking ChatGPT something and getting a built-in bibliography, automatically. But 2025 brought two major upgrades. First, Perplexity Pro. This gives you access to customized search models, like Claude or Mistral. File uploads, so you can ask questions about your documents in PDFs. Real-time web results blended with internal content. Second, Perplexity introduced focused agents, mini AIs trained on specific industries. Finance, medicine, law, education, each field now has its own fine-tuned assistant, built for accuracy. It also introduced collections so you can curate, tag, and reuse past searches as living research databases. Oh, and unlike most AIs, Perplexity works fast. Its interface is lightning quick, and answers load near instantly. For students, journalists, content creators, or anyone doing serious research, Perplexity is a dream. It's not built to sound smart. It's built to help you be smart, with receipts. Before we wrap, here are a few honorable mentions that could have made the top 3, depending on your needs. Mistral, an open-source competitor that's fast, powerful, and ideal for coders or devs building AI into their tools. VO by Google DeepMind, a text-to-video model that creates cinematic footage from scripts, ideal for media teams and YouTubers. Agent Core by AWS, not a model, but a platform to build AI agents that can autonomously act, schedule, and retrieve information across platforms. The truth is, AI in 2025 isn't one tool. It's an ecosystem. But Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity stand at the center, because they've moved beyond conversation. They're now part of how we think, create, and decide. So there you have it. Claude 4, the deep reasoner for serious thinkers. Gemini, the all-seeing collaborator across your apps and devices. Perplexity, the transparent, trustworthy search tool with receipts. Each one shines in a different arena. Each one reshapes how we work with machines. The age of AI isn't about gimmicks anymore. It's about tools that actually help you think better, work faster, and create more clearly. Let us know in the comments. Which tool do you use? Which one do you want us to do a full breakdown on? And if you want more AI tool reviews, strategy breakdowns, or faceless tutorials, hit that subscribe button. Because we're just getting started. Thanks for watching. Stay curious. Stay creative. And stay ahead of the machine.